When will I see you? You'll see me in a galaxy far, far away, behind the moon, beyond the rain, shot from the bow. Off to that land I go, the desert of crawling thoughts, substance of vapour, weight like marble, downy as cloudy cotton, slap like flying fish wings, waves of the ocean, soft water crashing, hard with sharp devotion. Where brutality increases, the softer its substance. Accelerated with distance. Superposition of materiality. There and not there plurality. There I slip, slip, slip down the soft, sharp dip, dip, dip. Slide, slide, slide. Kisses on the other side.